Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Check Fire OS version in Settings and make sure the tablet has at least 20% charge. Now open Settings and tap Wireless and Bluetooth immediately. This is the first actionable step. Put your Bluetooth accessory into pairing mode so it broadcasts. You do this now because the tablet scans only while you're in the Bluetooth panel, and keeping the device discoverable prevents timeouts that interrupt the pairing sequence. Once done, keep the Bluetooth panel open so the tablet continues scanning. Tap Bluetooth to enable it if off, then watch the available devices list populate. You should select the exact device name. If a passcode appears, type or confirm it. Most headphones use 0000 or 1234 automatically. Make sure you wait for the connected status. Prematurely leaving settings can stop the final handshake. Doing these steps ensures a stable profile and correct audio routing. You finish by verifying audio or data flows to the Bluetooth device. Play media, then check quick settings to confirm output. If the device fails to connect, choose Forget Device in the Bluetooth list and repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles that block reconnection. If problems continue, restart both the Fire tablet and the accessory. Reboot often clears software locks. Quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios before repairing, which resolves many intermittent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.